Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you will be fine. May Allah keep you all safe and healthy. Ameen. I'm going to teach you the chapter patriotism. Now first tell me what comes into your mind or after seeing this title patriotism or which point comes first in your mind that what should be the meaning of patriotism. What is patriotism? Patriotism means love for motherland or devotion to one's country. Patriotism means love for motherland, a country where a person lives, where he born and where he grown up. It is a natural feeling that a person loves his own country. Now overall I will explain the whole chapter, that what is in this chapter and what is the meaning of patriotism. Patriotism means love for motherland. As I told you that it is a feeling, okay, internal feeling, not only external feeling. It is an internal feeling that continuously inspires a person that he must love his country. The unit is about the spirit of patriotism. It tells about the qualities of a patriot and how patriots look after the interest and progress of their country. A patriot loves his country and is always willing to give sacrifice when the need arises. Means a patriot is a person who deeply loves his country and always ready to give sacrifice for the country when it needed. The word patriot comes from the Latin word patriota, which means countryman. Countryman means a person who loves his own country, and it is an admirable quality. A true patriot never compromises on the integrity and honor of the country, because patriotism gives strength and courage to the people and make them strong enough to protect and safeguard the interest of the country. Quaid-e-Azam was a great leader and patriot. He got the separate homeland for the people of the subcontinent, the Muslims who were living there, because he wanted to save the values, culture and traditions of the Muslims of the subcontinent. He said we should love our country and loyal to our country so it can become a strong nation. It is the spirit of patriotism that makes a patriot to stay alert all the time and compete the enemies with courage if they attack on us. Our history is also full of people who were true patriots. Our forefathers gave sacrifices and laid down their lives for getting separate homeland, Pakistan. Our history is also full of our brave soldiers who embraced martyrdom while protecting their country, Pakistan. And they all were awarded with highest military award, Nishan-e-Haider. They will always be remembered as great patriots. Patriotism is not only a feeling, it is a life spirit and continuously inspires and guides our nation. A country can be very strong if it has brave soldiers and true patriots. According to W.S. Score, if a person is devoid of patriotic spirit, it is like one who is still alive but his soul is dead, and who never said that it is my motherland, because he has no love for his motherland. Now it's clear through this chapter that patriotism is not just a feeling, it is a life spirit and give the strength and courage to the people and make them strong to protect and safeguard the country and its interest. So as a citizen of Pakistan, we have also some duties, we have also some things we should keep in mind, that we should do work for the betterment of our country, the welfare of our society and the interest of our nation. We should obey the laws. We should work for the development of our country. The defense of the country should be our supreme duty as a good citizen. Now I explained you the whole chapter, and in your live classes I will explain, or I will explain the chapter with translation, so you have to attend your live classes also.